Hey everyone, welcome back to JewelryMeTV. I'm Sarah, and today I'm bringing you a viral, trending jewelry set that's turning heads everywhere online. This is a gorgeous two-piece set featuring a gold stainless steel charm necklace and a matching zirconia accented ring. The sparkle is stunning, the quality is top tier, and the best part? The ring is multi-purpose, you can wear it on your hand or attach it to your chain as a unique charm. It's two looks in one. Both pieces are made from never fade, never tarnish stainless steel, so you get that luxurious gold finish with long-lasting shine. To order, simply scan the Cash App QR code on your screen or visit us online at www.JewelryMeTV.com. When paying, be sure to include your ring size, along with your full name and shipping address in the notes. That way we can make sure everything fits perfectly and gets to you fast. And don't forget, shipping is always free anywhere in the USA, with delivery in 7 to 10 business days. Thanks so much for shopping with me here at JewelryMeTV. I'm Sarah, and I'll see you again soon with more must-have pieces.